everyone is spread out, thank you so much for doing that, by the way. Now that everyone's spread out, we're going to sing our song. And this time, what we're going to do is I'm going to pull a name out of the bag, like JC. Where's Miss JC? Hi, Miss JC. She's always got the sweetest smile. Miss JC, can you give us a locomotor movement? We already said jogging. Can you give us another one? Walking. Okay, guys, so we're going to sing our song. And when we do the movement, we have to be very careful. Watch Miss Hoover. We are scary skeletons walking through the streets, walking through the streets. Do you see how I'm not walking really fast? I'm taking my time, and I'm not bumping into people, okay? Let's try that. And when we hear the word, when we all say, boo, I want everyone to freeze, okay? Mr. Noah, I need you to freeze. Thank you. So let's start, okay? 1, 2, here we go. We are scary skeletons walking through the streets, walking through the streets, walking through the streets. We are scary skeletons walking through the streets. We'll scare you. Freeze. Very good. Let me call on someone else. Stay still. Oh, what was one of the rules? No floor. No floor. Stand up.
Boys and girls, freeze means stop, like a
Yes.
statue.
Statue. Look, Miss Hoover making a statue of us. Okay. Mr. Brandt, can you give us another locomotor movement?
Running.
Well, remember our rule is no running. What's a different one?
Tiptoe.
Tiptoe. Let's say, for tiptoe, let's say creeping. And we're still going to tiptoe, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, here we go. We are scary skeletons creeping down the street, creeping down the street, creeping down the street. We are scary skeletons creeping down the street. We'll scare you.
Boo!
Okay. I'm going to call someone else. And for my bag of magic, Mr. Seth's not here. Joey, can you give me another movement? That's locomotor. Remember, we're going to move from one place to another. What's another movement we could do, bud? Y'all stay frozen, please. Remember when Brant said running? What's a slower part of running?
Jogging.
Jogging. Very good, Mr. Brody. Thank you. Jogging. Now, jogging isn't going to be crazy, like fast. It's going to be slow.
I know that.
Look at Miss Hoover. Look, I'm not really even like picking my feet up all the way off the floor, but I'm not walking to listen. If it's not yours, don't touch it. Okay, here we go. You ready? 1, 2, here we go. We are scary skeletons jogging down the street, jogging down the street, jogging down the street. We are scary skeletons jogging down the street. We'll scare you. How are we doing on time, Miss Evans?
We can do one more.
One more, okay. Miss Hoover's got to keep up with her time. I don't want us to go over. But we're having so much fun.
Boo!
Miss Alyssa, can you give me another movement? No floor, you guys.
Give you another movement.
What does a bunny rabbit do?
Hop.
Hops. Now we're not going to jump really high. Miss Brianna, can you show them that again? Brianna did it so good. Look at her. Perfect, Miss Brianna. Let's try it. Here we go. 1, 2, here we go. We are scary skeletons, hopping down the street, hopping down the street, hopping down the street. Don't touch each other. We are scary skeletons, hopping down the street. We'll scare you. Good, okay? If you're happy and you know it, get in line. Get in your line order, you'll be fine. Sorry, baby. If you're happy and you know it, get quiet and show it. If you're happy and you know it, get in line. Don't push or shove. Be nice to each other. You did so good. Okay. This class gets a flag. Oh, hang on, baby. We did so good. Let's do our chant. I want you to do it super quiet. Here we go. From the front to the back, you all know how to act. Say hands, say feet. Check your mouth and follow me. Very good, you guys. I'm very proud of you. Here's your flag, Miss Ashley.